Guys, so today's video is gonna be different. It's my first haul. I've been wanting to do a haul for a while. I love watching hauls. So I spent a total of $42.43, which isn't bad because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So let's get started. The first piece I got are these really cute sweatpants. I'm in love with sweatpants, honestly. They're so comfortable, and I always have a pair with me no matter where I go on vacation. I need a pair of comfy sweatpants and just clothing pieces in general. This was only $5. So I'm gonna be trying this piece on, so check this out. I found this really cute romper, and this was $8. I really like it because of the ruffles, and I feel like it's just perfect for summertime. Again, it was $8, which is kind of expensive when dealing with thrift store finds. So check out how this looks on me. These really cute dry fit tights. These are so cute. And what I like about it is the color transitions at the bottom to like a darker black to a lighter black, maybe a grayish. And it has a zipper at the bottom. And I will show you guys how this looks on me right now. Maxi dress. And it's like nylon material, so it's nice and thick. I love long dresses because you can just slip them on and head out the house. So check out how this piece looks on me. These last two pieces of clothing I bought them purposely so that they can be worn together. I got this really simple tank top. Thrift stores, you can find pretty much any kind of basic tank top depending on what size you are. I got this really cute pencil skirt. I got this really cute pencil skirt for $5. And what I like about it is it really grips my body well, and I work all the time, so this is perfect for work. So this was actually one of my favorite pieces, probably my favorite piece of clothing that I got out of this whole thing. Check out how it looks on me. Not least, I got this really cute purse, and as soon as I saw it, I wanted it. And it's because I have gigantic purses. Like, all my purses are gigantic, but it's got like this bluish tip to it, so it's not like an outrageous color that I can't wear with any outfit. It's like a purse you can wear with anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was quick, it was simple. I'm not thrift savvy like a lot of YouTubers can be. I kind of just go in, I kind of just feel my way around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, concerns, just let me know, and I hope you have a blessed day.